Hey there, business professionals! Today I'm diving into a powerful tool that can transform how you tackle problems and prioritize tasks. Pareto Analysis, often referred to as the 80-20th rule. So what is Pareto Analysis? It's a decision-making tool that helps you focus on the most significant factors in any given situation. The core principle is simple. 80% of the effects come from 20% of the causes. By identifying and focusing on these critical few causes, you can drive impactful change without spreading your resources too thin. Here's how it works. First, identify and list all the problems or causes contributing to your issue. For example, in a manufacturing process, these might be defects, delays, or other forms of waste. Next, measure and record the frequency or impact of each problem. This could be in terms of cost, time, or defect rate. Quantifying these problems gives you a clear picture of where your efforts should be focused. Then, rank these problems in descending order based on their frequency or impact. The most significant issues should be at the top of your list. Now, calculate the cumulative impact. This involves adding up the contributions of each cause to see how they collectively affect the overall issue. Once you have your data, create a Pareto chart. This is a bar graph where the problems are listed on the x-axis in descending order of impact, and the y-axis shows the cumulative impact. The chart typically includes a line graph representing the cumulative percentage of the total impact. Finally, focus on the vital few. The Pareto chart will visually highlight which problems have the most significant impact. Usually, you'll find that a small number of causes are responsible for the majority of the impact. Why is Pareto analysis so important? It helps you prioritize actions by focusing on the most significant issues that will have the greatest impact. This ensures resources are allocated efficiently, solving the most critical problems first. By addressing the vital few causes, organizations can achieve significant improvements with relatively little effort. This leads to more effective problem solving and faster results. Pareto analysis is also data-driven, making it an objective method for decision-making. It helps remove guesswork, focusing on what the data shows to be the most important issues. In quality management, Pareto analysis is often used to identify the most common defects or failures in a process. By addressing these critical issues, the overall quality of the product or service can be significantly improved. Let's take a real-world example. Imagine a software development company facing a high number of customer complaints. By listing and categorizing the complaints, they might find that 50% are due to software bugs, 20% due to poor customer support, 15% related to slow performance, 10% to user interface issues, and 5% to other minor problems. Using Pareto analysis, the company can focus on resolving software bugs and improving customer support first, as these two issues together make up 70% of the complaints. By addressing these, they can significantly reduce overall customer dissatisfaction. In summary, Pareto analysis is a valuable tool for prioritizing actions based on their impact, helping organizations focus on what truly matters. By addressing the most significant issues first, you can achieve greater efficiency, quality, and effectiveness in your problem-solving efforts. Thanks for tuning in. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insightful content. Until next time, stay focused and keep making impactful decisions.